Welcome to the Blacksmith Shop, moved to the museum in 1993, placed on its current foundation and enlarged to include a walkway in 1994. An often overlooked tool of the blacksmithing trade is a blacksmith's tongs, used to hold the metal in the forge in order to heat it. A variety of tongs was needed to hold the various shapes and sizes of metal being used. The portable forge was used to heat the metal when a larger forge could not be used, such as when the blacksmith was working away from the shop. And of course, the main tools of the trade are the anvil, used to shape and cut the metal, and the forge, used to heat the metal.